Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why do some insects float on water? Yes, it's because of surface tension. The surface tension is nothing but the property of the surface of the liquid that allows it to resist an external force due to the cohesive nature of its molecules. But before that, let us know what is cohesive force and adhesive force. The force of attraction between the same molecules is known as cohesive force, and the adhesive force is the attraction between different molecules. Okay, now imagine there is water molecules inside the beaker. Now let us consider a molecule inside the beaker. Here we can clearly see the force of attraction happens from all sides. Likewise, every molecule present below the upper surface experiences a force on all sides. But when you come to the upper surface, the water molecule is present only to a particular extent. There is no force of attraction above the surface molecules. So, this makes them to form stronger, tighter bonds vertically. In that way, they form a tension, and this allows them to support a pressure from the above side, which holds objects like insects, pin, etc. Okay, let us see what are the factors that affects the surface tension. Number 1, its temperature. Number 2, its soluble impurities. For example, adding sugar or salt in solution increases the surface tension. You know what? Adding soap in the water decreases the surface tension. Well, the reason is soap molecules have long chain hydrocarbon, so it seems bigger than the water molecules. When the soap molecules enter into the water molecules, it creates a space between water molecules. Hence, it decreases the surface tension. Let us understand the surface tension clearly through an experiment. Place a plate on the table. Pour some water. Sprinkle the pepper as shown. Apply the soap solution on your index finger and slowly touch the surface of the water. Now a sudden movement is seen. Soap is able to break down the surface tension of the water. That's the part what makes soap a good cleaner. As the soap moves into the water and the surface tension changes, the pepper no longer floats on the top. But the water molecules still want to keep the surface tension going. So they pull back away from the soap and they carry pepper along with them. Hope you all understood now. Thank you.